Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Create, Log and Delete. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to write a Christmas note using OpenAI. As we all know, Christmas is so near and you wanna write note to your close ones but you have no idea what to write, then this video might be very beneficial. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open any of the browser. Here I'm gonna open Google Chrome. At the top you can see that search bar, type in there chat.openai.com. Now this kind of page will appear. Now what you have to do is log in or sign up. If you have already created the account, you can easily log in. If not, then you can sign up. As I have already created the account, I'm gonna log in. After you log in to your AI account, this kind of page will appear. Now at the bottom side, you can see this search bar. Type there the question, type there write a Christmas note and click on this arrow, and here you can see that your Christmas note is ready. In this way you can easily use OpenAI for writing a Christmas note or anything else. I hope now you guys are clear about it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment down below what you guys want to see in upcoming videos. Thank you.